soaking wet, but it's okay.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
What's up, y'all? Good morning. I'm out here with Uncle Buster. We're about to do an ice run and a beer run before we head out to the trails. It's supposed to rain today at 3 o'clock, but we're gonna try to get some riding done before it starts raining and while it's raining. So I'm gonna give you a tour of the park. Look at those clouds, they look pretty. Those clouds look nice. Oh. Yeah.
They're not even released yet. Those are 8 inches. Right now, the biggest is about 6.
What happened? You got it? I don't know. Alright, so we're about to pull up into the store right now. Let's see what they have in the store. Look at this nice store. Oh, my hair is all crazy now. Oh, gotta get me a shirt. I got all this stuff in here. Cash me in the mud. How about that? You know, if you don't bring any clothes, forget, or you get dirty and you forgot to bring extras, they got apparel here. Enough apparel for everyone. Yeah. What, Mississippi or Texas? Go for Texas. What else does it have? And it's not expensive either. It's at like $20, reasonable. So we got different type of sodas you can get. I'm not a real big Coke drinker, but and of course they can't not have Monsters, Nas, all flavors of Monster practically. Water. Water is my area.
Get that H2O.
Sometimes people like have to have their morning cup of coffee.
Coffee!
Come over here. You're in a tent, you don't have a camper, or you forget to bring your coffee. They have them sorted. Toiletries and all. Come get more of your snacks right here. You can get more snacks. I'm not bougie. I'll eat some spam. I love me some spam. Especially, you know, Hawaiians love that musubi. They make a musubi.
Are you Hawaiian?
No, I'm not Hawaiian. In the Vienna. Just pop it open and eat it.
Let's look at their hat.
I don't think I have a blue one. I don't have a blue one.
Let's see. Try it on. So if it's a little loose.
Yeah.
I don't know. Does it fit loose?
A little bit. How does it look? Does it look good?
Are you asking people? I don't know.
I don't know. Put it in the comments if you like what's happening. We're getting some ice over here. It's already all pre-packed.
Yes, you're allowed to. Can I take it?
Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
How
you.
How do you need, sir? One.
Just throw those back in there. They even got a nice lake over here. see. So right over here is the showers. I heard it's super nice that they, you know, you pay $15 for the whole weekend, and then you just give them the, I guess it's an armband, wristband, and then they give you towels, and I think maybe some soap and stuff. And I heard it's like hot shower. It's just so comfortable, they were saying. And they got the fuel station over here. $3.75 swamp gas. Ethanol free. How many pumps is that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe? If they count both sides. You have to. So right now we're gonna just go into the splash pad. See how this works out. See what, they got a little water fountain for whenever you get thirsty, but it doesn't work. Hello. They got a splash pad out here. Look at this.
Hey, drink some. Is it potable?
Oh, are you trying to get wet? Crazy. Place for you to cool off, watch the kids. Look, Trina thinks that she's not gonna get wet over there, but she's getting wet. And I don't know where she's going to ride and not in the truck because we don't have a towel in the truck. There's even showers over here. They have the restroom, showers. You know, you can come over here and take a shower. Going through this thing.